Hey honeys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Shanae. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I achieved this cute, sleek ponytail with 3 jumbo twists. So continue watching. First things first, my hair is already washed, blow dried, straightened, and I'm just going to pull it into a ponytail. I will be using gel for this style, so I'm gonna put it all into one, and then I'll be going in with my clear eco styling gel and spreading that all over my hair. If you are natural, I would suggest using got2b free spray as an alternative. I do have videos using got2b free spray, so if you are interested, I am going to link that up above so you can see that. Also, before applying the gel, I did leave out some hairs, so if you are leaving out any hairs to use as baby hair or anything like that, you want to make sure you just brush that out before applying the product onto your hair. Next, I'm going to comb it through, make sure it is nice and smooth. And once I've combed through the entire thing, I'm going to go ahead and remove my band and just retie my ponytail. So now I'm just applying a little bit more gel onto my hair. Then I'll be using the brush on my edge control brush to just brush it through. That way it is just nice and smooth. And once I've done that, I'm going to be going in with my Wrap It Up strips by the brand Red, and I'll just be tying my hair down as I do the ponytail. So the braiding hair I'm using today is by the brand Rua. It has 2 packs of hair in the pack, and it is already pre-stretched. This was a 30-inch. So I'm just taking one of the bundles and I am attaching one end to my ponytail with the elastic, and I have the other end hanging in front of my face. Guys, I have so many ponytail videos on my channel, so you can check them out. But I'm just attaching the braiding hair onto my hair, and then I am going to flip over the section that's over my face back into the ponytail and put it all together, and it's as simple as that. Then I'm just taking a small portion, and I will be using this as my wrap. So I sprayed my got2b free spray on it. You want to make sure that it's nice and smooth as you're wrapping it around. And this is to just cover the elastic band and anything so that your ponytail just looks one. So you want to wrap it until there is nothing left to wrap. I then went ahead and took off the Wrap It Up strips. So what I like to do is I like to spread apart the braiding hair before attaching it into my ponytail. And this is just to feed it in. Since I'm doing 3 twists, I'm sectioning my hair into 3 so that it is even. I'm using my beeswax to just help my hair blend with the braiding hair. So I rub it all over the hair and then I start twisting. And before I start twisting, I go in and I add a piece of braiding hair right at the top, and then I start twisting. So the way I twist is I just twirl the hair around my finger and then wrap it around. And as I continue to twist the hair, I continue to add in hair. So you just add in the hair for as long as you want the twist or the braid to be. And because I wanted mine pretty long, I did add in quite a few pieces. And guys, trust me, it is not hard. I will leave above my tutorial breaking it down on how to do these rope twists if you are interested. So I'm just twisting the hair and feeding in pieces. And I did this exact same thing for the other two sections. What I would like to also mention is that once I reach the end, I do braid out the end. That way the twist does not unravel. So having the braid out at the end allows the twist to stay. And this is how it is looking. So because I added in so much hair, I did not have enough hair in that one pack. So I did use extra braiding hair that I had. So if you are going to do this, I do suggest getting 2 packs of hair instead of 1 if you don't have any extra hair laying around. So once I finish twisting the ponytail, I am going in with my edge control and I'm just going to do some swoops on the hairs that I left out. So this is how the hair is looking. I'm just going in with my shine spray and spraying it all over my hair, and then I'll be using my olive oil sheen and spraying that as well. So guys, this was the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this little tutorial. I just wanted to give you guys something cute and simple that you would be able to try. You know, I love ponytails. If you're not new here, ponytails are my thing. But let me know what you guys think about these jumbo twists in a ponytail. I love them. I thought they were really nice. But yeah, if you are new to my channel, I hope you are subscribed. I hope you like this video. Make sure to comment down below, guys. Let me know what you guys would like to see me do next, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.